I love every year when the redbud flowers come out to say spring is just around the corner. It's one of the earliest things to bloom, and the Kiowa actually cut off a flowering branch of this to bring into their houses in order to drive away the winter. And it gave rise to their saying, pink flowers form into leaves. And you can actually eat these, and they're pretty good. They got a nice sweet taste to them. The Cherokee are known to eat them, especially children make a nice little sweet treat. Indigenous Mexicans around San Luis Potosi fry these as a rare delicacy. They have little bean pods like this, and the Dene would roast these in ashes and eat the little seeds inside. I've done that. I just put them in the oven at 300 degrees so they cook through, and you can winnow off the bean pod, and they have these little seeds inside, which taste pretty good, especially a little bit of the salt. An infusion of the bark was drunk by the Cherokee in order to treat whooping cough. The Delaware drank an infusion to treat fever and to prevent vomiting, and the tribes of Mendocino County drank an infusion for fever and chills. The inner bark is especially astringent. An infusion of the inner bark was drunk by the Alabama in order to treat fever, and a regular infusion was drunk in order to treat congestion. So the wood and bark of these have historically been an important basket material, especially among California natives. So the Concal, Little Lake, Maidu, Miwok, Modes, Nishinam, Wintun, Yokia, and Yuki all use this for basketry. And so the inner bark has a reddish color and the sapwood has a white color. And so both of these were used in combination to make some nice basketry designs. And it was used for all the elements, so the warp and the woof and twining. And the shoots for basketry should be cut down in the fall to the late winter when the sap's down. And you can separate the red parts from the white parts by steaming. You can also cut it in the summer, and it makes it easier to peel away the bark from the wood. The Havasupai used the wood of this to make bows and also tool handles. And the Osage made a charcoal of this used to blacken their faces for battle dress. So yeah, I actually made my very first foraging video on this species at the same place. I'm at Redbud Isle in Austin right now, and I want to thank everyone who's appreciated my videos, and I'm really grateful that other people care about the same stuff.